Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a fabulous day. Today we are going to be making some round beaded little pockets. These are extremely easy to make. You got this lovely little fluid pocket that can be a pocket itself. I just like the fluidity of it. And I have chosen some of my scraps. I chose this marble paper again because I wanted everything to be fluid. I didn't want anything rigid, hence why I picked those paper. These little pockets are so cute because you can put little ephemera on any other scraps or a handmade creation that you made yourself. Right guys, keep watching and I'll see you very soon. Okay guys, so the starting point, of course, is we need a circle. I am on my way through to use up all my scraps. I'm very happy. I've got those two left. And then just these bits and pieces. So yeah, I'm very happy about it. So today, we need a circle. So you can use the tool, but I sometimes, for speedness, because I'm lazy, I use what I have on my desk. So I've not measured anything. I just simply... Oh, I didn't do a good job because... Yeah. And I do the same. Okay, so we got the two circles. And what you need to do, you need to glue one or attach one on top of another. Now, of course, you only need to do halfway through because we need the space to create the pocket. So I'm going to do, where is the end here? We can now make them the same. So I'm just trimming okay, and then the only thing we need to do now is lifting. So if I do that, if we can put my hand so you can see, that's where the pocket's gonna be. Okay, so now this one thing we need to do actually, if you want to distress the edges, you need to do it now, which I am going to. Okay, so again, we need a little bit more double-sided tape. About this much. Okay, so this is when you need to be a bit precise. I'll show you in just a sec. So lift it, but don't press it. Don't press it like very hard. Just press when we put the tape. Okay, and then just give it a really good press. So you get this lovely wave here. Okay, I hope, because it's patterned, can you see what I've done? So you get this lovely fluid shape. Now this one you can leave it round, okay, or you can decorate it. As you know, I've got some of my ribbon stickers. Well, they're not mine, but they belong to me. This is from Topology, and I'm going to decorate it and I'll be right back. Okay, so I made 2 holes and I used some of my eyelets. Oopsie. And then I got some little pendants on my stash. I think I got 2 of those. One in there. Yeah, there were 2. So that's that. And then I'm gonna use one of my rings. Do you think, do I need a bigger? I think that should be enough. Oopsie. I nearly made a mess on my desk, but I managed to not make a mess. Yeah, I think, oops, is it? Let's have a look. Yeah, just. So I put an eyelet there, and then I put this one there, and then I close it. And that's the beaded. That's the beaded pockets. Okay, so I'm gonna do another one exactly the same, and I'll show you. Okay, so they are done. So this is what we done together, and this is the second. They are exactly the same. So I recommend use cardstock because you want them to be quite steady. These are the Tim Holtz tickets, the one that comes in the pack. I haven't got many left, so I'm trying to use them up. Would I buy them again? Definitely not. They're not cheap, and to be fair, the quality is not the best. So, and in fact, on one you can tell one of the tickets is printed on upside down. I just think for what you paid for those, I mean, they're super cute, don't get me wrong. I just think they're not well made at all. You can tell they're mass made. They're not even fit. Yeah, that's my personal opinion. A lot of people love them, which is fine, but yeah, but anyway, so I used them up, and these are my ephemera from my book for beginners. It's called Around the World. This is my book. It's called Around the World. All my digital books that you can purchase and of course download them and print them are designed for beginners, because I wanted, especially new beginner crafters, not to have to buy lots of different papers, lots of different supplies, but buy my books that are theme made. So this one is everything to do with traveling, and I'll show you in just a second. That will save you have to buy all different papers from every different theme. So I put all my collections together and group them, and they're quite affordable. Now this book has got loads of pages, so just gonna give you a quick flip through. So of course this is second page, so you can scan this and take it to my website. So that's a little note from me, and it's all about everything from all around the world. So we got a bit of Asia, Japan, Egypt, USA, New York, England. We got the Big Ben, San Francisco, lots of different stamps. San Francisco, my postcards that we use today. We got some British tags, elephant, and then we got, of course, maps, world maps. This is Rome, Italy, Rome. Again, what Rome, and then we got Venice, and then at the end more Italian. These are original stamps that are scanned, and then at the end the last 2 pages shows you all my different books that you can purchase. And these are my ephemera from my book for beginners. It's called Around the World, so you get lots of like different bits and pieces from all around the world. And so we've got these little postcards. In fact, they're quite cute like that actually. And then just think I'm gonna put a couple of tags here and a couple of tags here, and then I go straight into your journal. I got mine that's becoming thicker and thicker and thicker, so they will be, in fact we could either put them on a page like that. Yeah, definitely. Right, that's it guys. I hope I gave you some little inspirations to create something funny, cute, and quite special. I think quite unique. You can make them as big as you want or as smaller than you want. You can put anything inside. You can put ephemera, you can put your own little creations, you can put anything in there. Okay, big thumbs up if you like this video guys. I truly appreciate your love and support. I've got a video coming up on Wednesday with my showcasing my VIP lounge papers for this month, and I'm sure you guys are going to like it, so don't forget to tune in. And then on Friday we've got another Friday freebie. Okay, big thumbs up guys, truly appreciate your support, and until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.